Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunnyside Cafe.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Are you ready to order, or would you like to see the menu?
I'd like to see the menu, please.
Here you go. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
Our chicken sandwich is very popular. We also have fresh pasta and vegetable soup.
That sounds good. I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Just still water, please.
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Here's your chicken sandwich and water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. It looks delicious.
How was everything?
It was great. Very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like some dessert?
Yes, do you have ice cream?
Yes, we have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
I'll have chocolate ice cream, please.
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here's your dessert.
Could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.
You too. Goodbye.